Understanding Rest Area, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very specific term that you might have heard if you've traveled by road in an English-speaking country: rest area. We will delve into what this term means, how it is used, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. A rest area is a designated place beside a road where drivers can stop to take a break during their journey. These areas are especially common on long highways, and they provide a safe and convenient space for travelers to rest, use the restroom, or grab a quick snack. Characteristics of rest areas. Safe parking. There is usually ample parking space for both cars and larger vehicles like trucks and buses. Restrooms. Clean and accessible restrooms are a standard feature. Picnic tables. Many rest areas have picnic tables where travelers can enjoy a meal. Information. Some rest areas provide maps, tourist information, and other helpful resources. The main purpose of a rest area is to provide drivers with a place to rest and rejuvenate, reducing the risk of accidents caused by fatigue. Safety is a priority, and that's why these areas are strategically located at regular intervals on long highways. Benefits of using rest areas. Reducing fatigue. Taking breaks on long drives helps to combat fatigue. Convenience. Provides a place to use the restroom, eat, and stretch without having to leave the highway. Safety. Offers a safe place to stop, especially in areas where services like restaurants and gas stations may be sparse. Now that we know what a rest area is and why it's important, let's look at how to use this term in sentences. Examples. 1. We've been driving for hours, let's stop at the next rest area. 2. Make sure to check the map for rest areas along the route. 3. The rest area was very clean and had a nice picnic spot. And that's everything you need to know about rest areas. These are crucial spots for drivers on long journeys, providing a place to take a break, use the restroom, and stretch your legs. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what rest areas are and how to talk about them in English. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.